In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Slack Huddles. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Screen sharing is a fantastic feature that allows you to showcase your work, collaborate in real time, and engage more effectively with your team. So let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First, ensure you're inside an active Slack Huddle call. Once you're in, take a look at the call control bar located at the bottom of your screen. You'll need to look for the third icon, which closely resembles a small computer monitor or screen. This is the key to initiating your screen share. Now, go ahead and click that monitor icon. Upon clicking it, Slack will prompt you to make a choice about what exactly you want to share. You have two options here: sharing your entire screen or just a specific window or application. Sharing your entire screen is ideal if you're planning to switch between multiple apps or windows. However, if you want to keep things focused and private, say for instance, just sharing a single slide deck or a browser tab, then opting for a specific window is the best way to go. If you're someone who uses multiple displays, it's important to select the correct monitor that has the content you wish to present. Make sure you're taking a good look at the options provided after you've clicked that monitor icon. Now, because this is your first time sharing your screen, your computer's operating system might prompt you to give Slack permission to use screen recording or display options. Don't worry, this is standard practice. Just follow the on-screen prompts that guide you through granting these permissions. It might feel a little cumbersome, but it ensures your sharing experience is smooth and secure. Once you've granted any necessary permissions and you've selected the screen or window you want to share, the next step is to click the big Share button. As soon as you do this, your teammates will instantly see your presentation, and you'll be able to engage with them as if you were all sitting around the same table. You should also notice a colored border around your shared area, which works as a confirmation that you are indeed live and sharing your screen. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your screen in Slack Huddles. It's a straightforward process, but it makes collaboration so much easier and more effective. Whether you're presenting a project update, troubleshooting an issue together, or brainstorming ideas, screen sharing brings everyone into the same visual space. As you practice this feature, you'll find that it enhances your team's ability to communicate and work on tasks seamlessly. So, don't hesitate to give it a try in your next Slack Huddle. And remember, if you found this tutorial helpful, liking and subscribing would be greatly appreciated. It supports the creation of more helpful content just like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your next screen sharing experience in Slack Huddles.